Everything still relatively lines up, and it looks like that'll work great. Okay, now we have one issue before we actually start merging these two together. As you can see, that part of this pipe is actually clipping to the inside of the mug. That will kind of mess things up as we attempt to merge these two together, because that would actually physically be embedded on the interior of this mug. So what I'm going to do is I will grab the Cut Faces tool, and on this handle, inside of the edge of this mug, I'm just going to go ahead and make a cut like that. I'll select my faces and go into Select Face mode and select everything on the left of this cut and go ahead and remove that. All right, now you can see in this particular instance it created a couple of 3-sided faces, 5-sided faces. That's okay, because that will be taken care of when we actually do the Boolean merge on these objects. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the both of them. Click on Mesh and come down, and let's try Boolean's union. Now, for some reason, I never quite seem to get consistent results. It looks like it did an extraction instead of an actual union. So let's go ahead and try difference. All right, that didn't work either. Let's try intersection. All right, that didn't work. Now, sometimes it's actually contingent upon the order in which you're selecting your objects. I can't remember if this is exactly how we had it before. Okay, so it looks like that time it took because the whole object turned green. All right, now if we look at it, if we go into smooth preview mode, you can see that it's kind of doing some unexpected stuff. We have some faces that just look a little on the nasty side. Some things didn't quite merge the way that we anticipated that they would. And that's kind of to be expected. It's kind of a mixed bag when you use the Booleans. So I'm going to come in here, and I am manually going to finish the job. It looks like I ended up with an extra vertice there somehow. So I'll just go ahead and select that and delete it. Is that lone vertice will also affect my form. So merge, merge, merge. Now I'm repeating the merge just by pressing G, because G will repeat whatever was the last action that was performed. All right, if we go in into smooth preview and take a look at this, that looks pretty nice. Things look relatively clean. Now, if you'd like it to have a slightly harder edge, go ahead and use either the Cut Faces tool or an Insert Edge